Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX and today we are going to be achieving this wonderful hairstyle using wool called yarn. So guys, we have two types of wool here. This is called BABYE wool and this is called baby wool. So you can achieve this hairstyle using these two type of wool, but when you use this one, this locks better and this also locks, but not as well as this one. I'm going to show you guys an example when I start doing it. So to make these amazing locks that we're going to be making today using our baby wool or BABYE wool, we're going to go through 5 steps. The first step is preparing your wool. The way you prepare your wool will determine how long or how short your hairstyle or your locks are going to be. This video is going to be in 2 parts. This part is going to include all the making of this hair, and the second part is going to include the installations and other things. So in this second step, we're going to count the wool first just to make sure that we have an even size hair. And then after getting this wool, we are also going to add one longer one. This one we are going to add is going to be used for the threading of this hair. And then you tie it around. You tie it in a way that you can use it as a crochet or any other way of installing it. So tie, and then we take out the longest and then thread. While threading, you are going to make sure that you leave spaces in between, whether big or small. Just make sure that you leave space in between. Making this hair is really easy and also really cheap to make. So when you are done threading, or when you get to the point where you are no longer threading again, you just fold this hair upward, then cut out the excess parts. When you do this, it's going to help you keep the ends flawless, and it's not it will help you not to go through the stress of burning this hair or doing other things just to make it look clean. So when you tie this way, your hair will come out well. The first one I made with baby wool. Now I'm going to be using BABYE wool. BABYE wool appears slimmer and tinier than baby wool. So I'm just going to go through the same process. So the third step, and which is like the most important step, is to brush. You can use any brush of your choice, but I'm going to be using this one that looks like shoe polish brush. So you are going to brush really well, because your brushing will determine how this lock will come out. So the fourth step is dipping this hair into hot water. When you dip this hair into hot water, it's going to seal it, and you won't know if this is wool, yarn, or you can't recognize it anymore. So this is our final look. Here the bobby wool came out well locked and sealed, but the baby wool still looks just about the same way it came out. So this is what the bobby wool looks like. Really beautiful. And this is how the baby wool looks. The baby wool will be fuller and bouncier, but the bobby wool will lock. So I advise, if you want to get this hairstyle really well like this, use bobby wool. Bobby wool seals better than baby wool, unless you are going for a different look. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for coming back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Doing this will really help me grow. Thank you so much for coming back, and I promise you guys amazing content. Bye.